tayo rin yung makaka-step on it, di ba? It's not just about it being messy, syempre ang baho, di ba? And stuff like that. May mga places na talagang pet-friendly, like mga malls, na they have a separate trash can for mga poops. Pero pag wala, yun na basta nilagay mo lang sa trash area, that's responsible enough. So, importante din yun. I wouldn't say na may number 1, number 2, number 3 kung ano yung pinaka-importante. I think lahat is importante. Like, lalo yung water in every activity that you do, always remember that when you feel thirsty, maybe your dog gets thirsty also. When you feel hot, maybe your dog feels hot as well. So, ganun lang yun. You have to address that kasi just as you address yourself as humans, we can just grab a bottle of water if we're thirsty. Pero with our pets, we have to provide them. So, ganun lang palagi yung ano. So, nothing extra effort. It's more of using all the senses that you have. So, doon na naman papasok yung how close are you with your dog. Kasi you can gauge whether your dog has a good endurance score. Di ba may tao talaga